Hey guys, Black Josie here and I'm back at you with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this cute jumbo knotless box braids using Brazilian wool. So you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's begin. So first and first, let's prep the wool. I used to use bundles of the Brazilian wool. I'll go ahead and cut it into pieces so that I can detangle or feather it. Here I'm just picking it with my index finger and wrapping it around my thumb so I can get the right length. Okay. So after I'll cut both ends so I can get two portions out of this. So once that is done, then go ahead and separate it to feather the ends. And as you're doing so, like you feather it a bit, you detangle or you brush through. So you should get something like this and you're ready for your braids. So let's go. So moving on, I'm going to prep out my hair. As I said earlier, I'm doing jumbo braids, so my sections are going to be bigger. So I'll be dividing my hair into two. So the first part I'm making is an ear to ear part. So I try to make that part as clean and neat as possible. Then I'll proceed to part the hair into smaller sections.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight.
So I had 13 sections in total, 6 in the front and 7 at the back. And we are ready to start braiding. So I'll take out a section and detangle or comb through. Then using an edge control, I'll mold that section. I want the base to be flat. So I'll go ahead and mold it. I'll go ahead and divide that section into 3 and start braiding. I'll be braiding my natural hair for a while or a bit before I start to feed in the Brazilian wool. So the amount of hair you decide to feed in depends on the size of braids you are going in for. So I did 10 feeding and I made sure all the sizes are the same. So when I get to the end, I just make a knot, and that's it for the first braid. Moving on to the next one. It's the same process. We mold, we separate it into three. We start braid, then do 10 feet in, and that's it. Also, make sure to compare the length with the initial braid so that you get the length to be equal or closely equal as possible. As you can see, I'm not braiding it all through to the end. I leave some hair at the bottom so I can make some curls. So this is after braiding all of the sections. There are 13 in total. I'm going to go ahead to curl the ends. I'll be using a flexi rod. So I'll just wrap it around the flexi rod, wrap the ends around the flexi rod, and then dip them in hot water or hot water set it. So this wasn't part of the initial plan for this hairstyle, but I just saw this curls I made for a previous video and just decided why not. So here's me crocheting it into to make it like a boho knotless jumbo braids. Yeah, and it's cute. So yeah. So this after taking all the flexi rolls out, and the curls came out looking all bouncy and beautiful. So that's the final look. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Keep